exciting times this weekend. First time in a long time that I'll be hitting the road in the truck. We're heading down to a little place just outside of Canberra, right on the border there somewhere. Taking the family, supposed to meet old little Benny down there, but he's unfortunately got to work, so it'll just be the family and the pups. Dog friendly place, so it should be fun. Stay tuned and see what this little place has to offer. What do your lunch breaks look like? I don't actually get down here very often. This is probably only the second time I've come down to the river to have some lunch, but quick little question for you. If you go on adventuring and you come across a place like this, do you jump straight in the water? Or do you have a look around first and check out your surroundings and make sure it's safe? Because I know when I was in Queensland I never jumped straight in, but I usually do just go places and jump straight in. So what do you do? What do you look for? Do you look what the colour of the water is, or do you look around the vegetation area and see how the place is kept? Like, this is National Park in here, so you expect it to be pretty clean. And at first appearance it is pretty clean. Mostly. Imagine jumping in the water and swimming on that. So this area is the Georges River. There's a lot of built up area, like that's just the road right there. I'm not going to tell you where it is, but it is there. Just be careful, people. A lot of people don't care about your safety, but I do. Any one of these bottles could have been used to pick up that needle and put it in the bin, but I didn't think. I just put it in the bin. I checked in the bathroom, but there was no sharps boxes, so hopefully no one gets hurt by it. Did have a cap on, so we'll see what happens. Well, I won't see what happens. I just hope everyone stays safe. So the first thing you got to do when you go on camping is prepare. So I thought I might show you how I prepare to go camping. First of all, you got to make sure the boy's ready. So, like I was saying, the first thing I do to prepare is obviously got to go and pick up my truck. So the second thing you got to do is empty all the crap out of the work car that you're going to need in the weekender. Now, the only issue I really had was to decide whether or not to load the kayak today and then the rooftop tent, or do it a different way another day. Kayak today. Just out here at Stanmore Tops on the way home, and out the back here we've got 1, 2, 3 ships in some kind of holding process. They were out here yesterday and they're out here again today. There's actually another one out here today, so I think it might have something to do with all our docks being closed, our ports. So, our corona, huh? Wonder how they're doing for toilet paper. So Australia's borders are blocked at the moment, which is probably why these guys are out there. They're probably under quarantine. Not allowed to dock anywhere in the world at the moment. Tough luck, huh?